Ugreen has released a new portable Bluetooth speaker in China called the M3. It is currently listed on the retailer JD.com for 249 yuan, $36, and is designed primarily for outdoor use. While it shares a lot of similarities with other rugged speakers on the market, it includes a specific feature to deal with getting wet, a water drainage system that uses sound to clear out the grille. If the speaker gets splashed by a pool or left out in light rain, you could open Ugreen's companion app and turn on a dedicated drainage mode. The speaker will then generate high-frequency vibrations, up to 400 times per minute, to physically push trapped water out of the hardware. It is a practical approach to water exposure, working alongside the device's standard IP66 rating for dust and water resistance. Physically, the M3 weighs 653 grams, which is light enough to throw in a backpack for camping or a beach trip. It comes in two colors, starry black and champagne gold, and includes a hidden RGB light strip at the bottom. The lights can be set to solid colors, a breathing effect, or sync to your music. There is also an SOS mode that flashes the lights and plays a warning sound in case of an emergency. For audio, the M3 uses a 20W triple driver setup. This includes specific drivers for high and mid-low frequencies, plus a passive radiator to handle the bass. Ugreen says it uses digital signal processing, DSP, and its own bass enhancement software to keep the low-end frequencies audible even when you have the volume turned down. The company says the speaker can reach a sound pressure level of 105 dB. On the connectivity side, the speaker supports Bluetooth 6.0 and LE audio. It also supports Auracast, meaning you can sync the audio with over 100 compatible devices, or you can just pair two M3 speakers together for standard left and right stereo sound. The speaker runs on a 2,500 mAh battery. Ugreen estimates it will last up to 20 hours on a single charge, provided you keep the volume at a moderate level and leave the RGB lighting turned off. It charges via standard USB-C port. It also features a built-in microphone for phone calls and voice chats.